Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Here I was comfortable to enter with a pullback and one ATR has already pushed on, but I'm now expecting a price to push down further from here, and I'm still looking at this level below for the price to head to. I found this head and shoulder pattern as well, and as you can see, we had the left shoulder, we had the head of this pattern, and then we had a right shoulder here as well. Make it a valid head and shoulder pattern. Rejection from the termination zone here and rejection from the termination zone here. Now when I see this type of pattern, we can enter in two ways. First is a bearish engulfer, which we have in an aggressive way. Second is a break of a termination zone, which is down here. It is something I teach my students with the full rules. Now once we have broken and closed below, that is also a less aggressive entry, but it is an aggressive entry if you want to get a better reward to risk ratio. So that is a pattern I also found here on Ovanda platform. Perfect. So out of this head and shoulder pattern, I've mentioned that we are getting a price to push down, and first we had an entry right here which I took personally, and then we took an entry right here that was sent as an alert to my priority member. Now again, it is not a signal group. That is why I send you these alerts so that you can learn from this entry and take your trades independently. Now that was sent to the members, and both target 1 and target 2 has been hit. And before I continue, I'm getting the questions and the queries regarding my course. Now let me confirm that I'll be running Black Friday deal next month in November, so it's worth waiting next month if you're looking to join my course. And I'll be announcing that just a few days before Black Friday so that you get enough notice to if you're looking to buy the course. Now starting with natural gas. So what do we have? Right here, price is now pushing down and heading towards a level of support. Now here on Ovanda, the zone has been mentioned yesterday on all three platforms, but here it is 2.358 that goes down to 2.266, roughly this area, and I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check them out. So once the price reaches my zone, I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, which is bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmation. Now if you are my student, it is a valid pullback entry bearish that also nicely hit the targets already and pushing towards the next level of support. Now at this point, once the price reaches my zone, inside the zone, I will only enter if there is a condition. If there is no condition, let's say the price bounces up, I will look for another sell trade if we have that bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. So I'm still looking for sell trades as price just break below the previous low. If you have a push down without a condition and pull back up and price from bearish engulfer, I will go short and look for the possible double bottoms as well. So as long as we are getting sell condition, I'll be taking my sell trades. But if once the price reaches this zone, I will start to look for my buy trades with conditions only. So keep an eye, only sell trades with this at this point. Price is now getting oversold and we can still expect some corrections, a pullback below 50 EMA, and that is something that I'm expecting. It won't be a reversal. Again, I'm only looking for buy trades if the price is here, forms a signal. If the price breaks above 20 and 50 EMA, only then I will change my direction from sell to buy. Keep an eye, these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for natural gas. Now at this point here, the target has been hit, but the zone below, it's quite far here on this platform. I've just redone the zones, which is right here, and I'll be sending the zones to my members as well. It's 2.505 goes to 2.646. An area, once the price reaches to this area and forms a conditions like bullish engulfer, exactly I've just mentioned, once the price reaches my zone, forms bullish engulfer as a double bottom. In that case, I will go short. Otherwise, just a pullback entry bearish. I'll be looking at, we have a nice head and shoulder pattern, and at this point, we are getting towards the entry number 2. Now I've mentioned that entry number 2 looks something like this, exactly like this. Now if you're my student, you know the different type of entries when you're taking head and shoulder trades. Now here, right at the close, that is also less aggressive way. Aggressive entry is right here with a good reward to risk ratio, but here is a less aggressive way. Means I'm still looking at the price to push down inside the zone from where we can start to look for the next condition. So entry number 2 has been triggered after the break, and we are now expecting a price to head down here on capital.com as well with the bullish engulfers at double bottom. Just a pullback entry bearish at this point. That is something I'm looking for my trades. Only sell trades till we are in this zone with conditions. Here on NEMEX, at this point, we are also getting towards a level of support, which is right here. As you can see, the numbers in blue, the price just broke below this nice channel. We can still expect a nice pullback followed by bearish engulfer, and we're only going to go short till we are here to look for the next buy trade. So keep an eye, only bearish trades with the pullback. Correction is expected. As you can see, we are now nicely oversold in the RSI as well. With that, we can expect a pullback, and that pullback doesn't mean you start buying, but with the pullback, I want to look for the bearish engulfing confirmation exactly like this for the next sell trade. So keep an eye. These are conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing up nicely, and we are still looking at the level above, which is 2669.80, goes to 2685.43, from where I will look to enter my sell trades with bearish engulfing pattern. If we have that, I'm going to go short, or if you have inverted hammers or 382 candle bearish, I will go short. In that case, we'll have a double top pattern as well. So that's what I'll be looking at for now. I'm not looking for buy trades unless we are not broken above this high. Once we are broken above this high, I'm going to start to look for my next pullback entry bullish and a trend continuation buy trades. For now, I'm just looking at this level for the possible sell signal. Next up, we have silver. Silver is also ranging at this point, either with the double bottom, if we have that equal to this previous low. In that case, I will go long if we have a bullish engulfing pattern in this area, or if we have a 382 candle in this area. So keep an eye. If I push down, bullish trades with condition. Otherwise, for the next bullish trade, I want to see a price to break above these high for the next continuation bullish trades. For now, I'm still looking at this level for the price to head to, from where expect a rejection out of silver. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for silver. Here on crude oil is now pushing down and possibly forming a double bottom pattern, which is right here. So once the price hit my zone below and forms bullish engulfing pattern or a 382 candle, in that case, that will be a minor double bottom pattern, from where I will looking to enter my buy trades, keeping my stop loss below this rejection box. So once we have that, I'm going to go long, and I'm looking at this level above for the next counter sell trades. For now, only buy trades once we are here or once we have broken above this high. Not selling as long as we are trading above the zone, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Right here, as you can see the numbers in blue. Once we have broken below this zone, only then crude oil will turn bearish. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.